Now today I'm going to be going into my favorite card control, and I'll teach you that one right now. Today I'll be using the White Artisan playing cards from Theory 11, and if you want these playing cards or any other playing cards, make sure to check out the link in the description where I have the website for these cards and a few other websites that you can get discounts for, so you don't have to pay as much money for the cards. So let's get into the video. So first let's do a performance. Let's take a random card. Now make sure you have this card down. We'll put it on here on top, and we'll lose it somewhere in the deck. Now most of the time you don't get to see it happen, so this time I'll actually show you it's in the middle of the deck. So take it, we'll put it in here, and you'd let the spectator push that in the middle of the fan, then put the fan in the middle of the packet, and with the snap of your fingers your card jumps to the top of the deck. And I'll get in how to do that right now. Now this card control is my favorite because it's so visual and the spectator thinks they know where the card is going at all times. And it's best used in ambitious card trick routines, which I'll link right up there. So you can check out my full playlist, including my performance of it, which I use this move in. So let's get into this tutorial right now. So before we get into this tutorial, make sure to hit that subscribe button, which should be down there at the bottom, or you can just click that little icon right there that says subscribe. That you guys can know every time I post a video. Now let's get into this tutorial. So, have a freely selected card. So let's say it's this one, and you don't have to have a peek at it or anything. You're going to take it and put it on the top of the deck. You're going to slide it down into the middle, just like this. Or you can just take it, if you don't know how to slide it down, you can just take it here. You can either cut it to the middle, now it's there, or you can take it, peel off a packet, and just slide it down. But if you know what to do this one, that's just a regular swing cut, and I'll link that right up there. And I will be coming out with a tutorial on how to do this soon. So, you have this now in your left hand packet in mechanics grip. You're going to come over it with your right hand, and you're going to pick it up like this. Your thumbs across the bottom, index on the back, and these three fingers across the top. What they think you're doing is, they think you're taking it and you're placing it like this. Now, this card is that card. I'm going to do this face up. I'm going to place it here and bring over this one. So, if you watch this card right here, the 9 of diamonds, I'm going here, and then when I push this off, the 9 of diamonds, I just did a switch. So I'm going to make sure I place this in directly flush, and then I'm going to use the pads of these fingers to contact that card and slide that out. So now you have it right here. You're going to do a one-hand fan, and I'll also link that right up there so you can know how to do that. Just turn the card and put that in the middle of the one-hand fan and push that in. Then you go ahead and you're just going to riffle down the cards like this and take the one-hand fan and put it in the middle. And what that'll have done is that'll made your card go to the top. So I'll show you that with the card face up. It's going to go like that. One hand fan, put this in the middle, close up the fan, put the cards in the middle, and now you have your card that's selected on top, and you can do whatever you want with that. So let's say you have controlled whatever card. Let's just say it's the Ace of Diamonds still. You control the Ace of Diamonds, but then you do a double lift, and then you want to just do something like an Earned Ace change or something like this. There's many different variations you can do. Now, I do have a few different color changes that I've done here on the channel, and I will link both of those right up there. Question of the day is, what card control do you want me to do next on the channel? Make sure to leave that down in the comments. So if you want to subscribe, you can click up right up there, and to watch another video, click right there. Thanks for watching. This is Card Perfect, signing off.